Faded in this dark and smoky room. Hey
guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond excited. I have been doing a 5-day weight loss challenge with a CBD detox tea, and I have been filming it since day 1 that I started it up until day 5. So I finally have the results for you guys and I am so excited. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. My name is Fabiola, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I also love to blog. So check out my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. Also follow me on social media as at FABIOLAGBEAUTY. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So the company Royal Wellness Corner sent out the CBD detox tea for me to try out, review it for you guys. So it is a sponsored video. However, everything here is completely 100% honest and real, just with all my reviews that I do in my channel. Everything is 100% real. It is my own honest results and reviews. So I am so excited to share this with you guys. It's called the ISO tea with full spectrum hemp extract, and they also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. And it is amazing, you guys. Like I said, I did film it from day 1, and I basically started this like right after Christmas. I was like, you know what? I am done. I need to get my body ready and then just start the new year fresh from the start. And I did it, you guys. I have results and I'm very happy. So these teas right here come individually wrapped. I'm going to open one so you guys can check it. And they come really nicely packaged because you can just, you know, carry them with you if you are, you know, at the gym or traveling. So it's just like a little instant pack, and it's a powder. You just put it in your, you know, hot water or cold water. I did hot water just because I prefer to sip on hot teas, and they taste really good, you guys. So don't be afraid to try it. It tastes very good. It's like very citrusy. I definitely did like the taste, so I was very happy with that. So if you guys are wondering what is so cool about this tea, so basically this tea is a detoxifying tea. It also helps to suppress your appetite. It cleanses your body. It's all natural. So some of the benefits on this tea is that it helps to detoxify your body. It cleanses, it detoxifies, it aids in weight loss. It's also natural, and it helps to suppress your appetite, and all of those. Yes, they do work, you guys. So normally I'm always very hungry right after like around lunchtime. I always like seek those extra like snacks, and I did feel I wasn't as hungry as I normally am. I just, you know, had my normal lunch, but I wasn't hungry after that, and I wasn't craving anything either. And I thought that was like really good, because this definitely helps for that. And then it also detoxifies your body like completely, and it just gives you this like instant feeling that you don't feel bloated or anything like that. And I was very impressed with the results. So if you guys want to see more, keep on watching. I do have updates from like day 1 up until day 5, and I am overall very excited. Also, make sure you watch till the end of the video because I do have my final results. Hey guys, it is day 1. And we're going to be trying out this tea. It's instant with full spectrum hemp extract. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing like a 5-day review with checkups. So I will be like constantly checking up every day, telling you guys how I'm feeling. And I'm super excited because I feel like I did gain some weight, especially now with like the holidays and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and step on the scale. I am not wearing shoes or anything, so we're going to go ahead and see what my weight is. Let me zoom in. So I'm about 145 right now, and I do want to lose at least 10 pounds. I know I'm not going to lose 10 pounds in a week or like 5 days, but even if I can lose like 5 pounds, like 1 pound per day, that would be amazing. So I'm going to check up tomorrow and see how everything is, and then we're also going to do some measurements so that way we can get like the full review of this tea. I love how these come packaged. They actually come individually packaged, and this is what it looks like. So you get like the little packets like this. So it's like a little powder, and all you have to do is just pour it into your hot or cold water. I like the fact that they come individually packaged because you can even, you know, carry them if you're at, you know, work or traveling or whatever. So this is what it looks like, and you do get 24 of these sachets inside, and it actually smells really good. I can definitely smell it. So here is day 1, and I am dying to try this out. Like I did say previously, it does smell really good. It actually smells like really citrusy, so I'm quite interested to know like what it tastes like. You guys, it actually tastes really, really good. It's very like citrusy. It almost tastes like lemon, you know, like lemon citrus, but it actually tastes really good. I'm quite impressed, and I'm really happy that it tastes good. So we're gonna go ahead and try this tea for 5 days, and then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow and give you guys some more updates on how this went. So here is day number 2, and I'm trying to take my weight around the same time that I did the night before. It looks a little bit lighter, maybe like a pound or so. And after I drank the tea last night, today I've just literally been like going to the bathroom, but it's not like cramping or anything. It's just like a normal like detox, and my body feels amazing, you guys. I feel like full of energy, and I don't feel tired. I did have an amazing night's sleep, so very excited for that. You guys, it's day number 3. It is around 5 in the afternoon. Just got back from work. So far, you guys, I've been seeing some like huge results. My body is still detoxifying, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's just like normal, and I'm so glad because prior to taking the tea, I did have some like constipation problems. So I feel like that has definitely helped quite a lot. Very happy with it. And then also another thing I noticed is that while I was at work, I wasn't like craving snacks or anything like that. Usually when I'm working, I'm just like, oh my god, I need a snack and I need to eat something, even like after like my lunch. And I just didn't feel the craving, which is so weird, you guys. So yeah, it's the 3rd day. I am not feeling as hungry as I was. I just eat, you know, my dinner, my lunch, but I don't eat as much. So the quantity is definitely like lowered because I'm not as hungry. But my body doesn't feel tired, so I'm not tired, and I'm actually like full of energy. I've been sleeping pretty well, so we'll see how tomorrow goes. Tomorrow will be day 4, so I just want to give you guys a quick little update. Hey guys, today is day number 4. Can't believe this. Today is December 30th. Tomorrow will be like my final day for this 5-day challenge, and so far I'm feeling pretty good. So I'm just gonna go weigh myself and take my tea again for day number 4. So yeah, so far you guys, I've been like seeing some pretty awesome results, and I am just like so impressed. All right, let's see what the results are. And I am wearing my socks because it is just so cold out this morning. So let me zoom it in. So basically I've lost about 2.5 pounds to maybe 3, which I think is wonderful because it's only day number 4 and I still have another day left. So we'll see tomorrow, and then I'll do like the final video for you guys. So overall, for my final thoughts and results, I would highly recommend this to you guys. It definitely does work. I did lose a couple inches off my waist. I started off with 34 inches, and then at the end it was 32 inches, which is amazing for 5 days. And it just basically detoxifies your body from like all those things that have been just accumulating into your body, and it detoxifies it. It makes you feel wonderful inside and out. It also helped me with my sleep. It aids with the sleep as well. So I thought that was great. And sleep is very important, especially in weight loss. If you have a good night's sleep, that just definitely helps a lot. Another thing that I noticed is that my weight went down. Yes, I was so excited, you guys. I did lose a few pounds. So happy with that. So I lost a few pounds, a few inches off my waist in just 5 days. So imagine if you take this for like longer, you would definitely get like better results. So overall, I am very impressed. Highly recommend this tea, and I'm going to leave you guys the exact name to this and where you guys can find it from the Royal Wellness Corner down there below. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'll keep you guys updated as well within a month, let you know how everything is going, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues.